It's kind of out of back bathroom now. It's getting worse now. But it's not wallet in my phone low. Still I'm trying to talk as low as I can. There's my cousin sleeping on the couch. I had a pull chain like that. I'm scared I might break it. It shook the back up. It took off the old chain. I don't know why. I don't know why they took the pull chain off. Probably because the kid was messing with it. I ain't wobbling like a medium no more. Usually it wobbles so worse. Yeah. God, let's go to the horizon there. It is high. Yeah, it gets worse on high speed now. I don't know if you can see, but I can't. My Galaxy S5, whatever. Reverse. Yeah, I'm sure. Reverse. Let's see. Fans on a little bit slow on low speed. So, yeah. The capacity is getting worse. I apologize, y'all can't hear me. It's not bothering much. Yeah, it's high speed now. Let's see. The other one was fucking high. Put it back to the other direction. Hold on. And this fan has a short spin down time. About a second. This has a short spin down time, by the way. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, don't post notifications. Peace out.